Realme X2 Pro. We're going to perform today a durability test and a scratch test on this. Since we know all the companies are trying to use the tougher glass and trying to prove they have better durability. So we are going to perform a durability test and a scratch test on different levels with different tools. Now we have marked different pressure levels from 1 to 5 and we're going to use different tools for that. Now we are using the tweezer, trying to create different pressure levels. As you can see, on 1 we put a slight pressure, on 2 we are going harder, on 3 more pressure, on 4 more pressure, and on 5 we are trying to press as hard as we can with this tweezer. I'm gonna wipe it out and see if there is any scratches. Amazingly, it seems like we still did not have any scratch. Well, we keep on going and use another tool to see if it's going to create any scratch. A prior opening tool, which is more harder metal, we're going to create more pressure, and again we're going to use the same technique. On 1 we are putting lesser pressure, on 2 more, and this way we just keep on going. Seems like it's a good phone, it's a really good glass, it's still did not had any scratches. Anyways, we keep going. We try to use another tool. In this instance, a screwdriver is more precise and has a sharper tip. And again, we're going to do all the levels. It's pretty much we are trying to scribble and put more pressure and more pressure and more pressure. Let's wipe it out again and see if there is any scratches. Well, this looks good. Still, we don't have scratches on the screen. But we keep going. We want to see how good this is. We're going to use a knife now. Very pointy. It can create scratch easily on any good surface. On 1, I didn't see any scratch. On 2, still going good. 3, let's put more pressure. More pressure. On 4, now more pressure we're going to do. On 5, as you can see, we are scribbling, pushing hard. But still, we didn't achieve any of the scratch. Seems like a good glass to us. No scratches at all for now. Not bad. It's good. Let's wipe it and see if we find something. Nothing till now. We're going to remove this pressure level and going to use this pressure level on the back of the phone. Using the same technique of scratching pressure levels with different tools, with tweezer. Now we have performed the tweezer test, all 5 levels, and we didn't get any of the scratch yet, which is very rare to have some back like this on the phone. Try to rub the logo now. Let's see. It's good. It's not coming off. That's nice. A prior opening tool. Scribble it. Try to put more pressure now. scribbling it, we're creating more and more pressure. Amazingly, still no scratches. Even the glass is too good, the back. And now the logo, usually it should come off easily, but on Realme X2 Pro, it's not coming off. That's amazing. Let's wipe it off and see if we can find something. Well, nothing. That's good. Now the screw one. On 1, there's nothing. On 2, pressure 3, pressure 4. Let's see. None. Can't see much. Nothing. On 5, we should get something here. Let's see. Nothing. My God, that's good. And on the logo, we are trying to apply the pressure, which is like 4 to 5 kind of a pressure, but still you can see no scratches. And it's a very precise metal, which can create. Now knife. Well, 1, nothing. 2, nothing at all. 3, still we are not getting any scratch out of it. Not bad at all. Number 4 is, should have something here. Let's see. Nothing. Number 5, definitely we should get something here. Okay, keep going. Nothing at all. And let's logo. We should at least able to remove logo. No. Well, that's not bad at all. No scratch. Nice. Let's wipe it off and see. Nothing. Not bad at all. Now we still keep going and we try to see how tough this phone is. And as you can see, these are pointy rocks. This is something worse you can do to the phone unless you are rigging it off, but we would like to see if this can create some scratches on the phone. We are putting different level of pressures, going very hard, very fast. Let's see. Keep putting pressure. Let's see. Let's close up and see. Seems to have some pressures. It's not very clear in the video. We try to wipe it off and see if we can find some scratches visible enough to show you. We can see it a little bit, but let's see how can we show you. Yeah, we got it now. As you can see, there are minor scratches. We will try to hover our screwdriver. See, if you can see, there is a scratch here. It created a scratch here, and you can see a scratch next to it. Now it's more visible. So the rock test did find us some scratches on the phone, but still not bad. It's not. Now you can see more scratches. Well, now we're going to take the durability test to the next level. We're going to use the mix rocks. In mix rocks, it creates different level of pressures, and we will start with a little slight pressure and rub it over the rocks. You see, now we are putting more pressure and scribbling it around here and there on the mix rocks. This is something which should make more and more scratches on the phone. Keep going and see what happens. I think it's enough. Let's see. Well, slight more few, but hard to show you in the video. But we can see there is a little bit. It created, dots now. Yeah, you can see now it's more visible. It created the dots on the screen. We're gonna wipe it off and see how many are just the dust particles on it and how many are the scratch. It's hard to show you. Let's close it up and see what we can. Well, as you can see, those dots are gone away, but there are a little bit more scratches on it, and it's visible in the video now too. Yeah, a few scratches here and there, but not bad at all. It's a really good glass. It's really tough. We did many tests on it. Let's see if it functions well. The touch is working. That's good. We think for the price and durability, one of the best phone of the year. Let us know what you think in comment section, and don't forget to subscribe.